Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I will be breaking the market down from Monday to Thursday, and I'll be showing you the trade I have picked and the one I missed. Alright, so if you can see, this is the current condition of the market. The market has been producing some series of higher highs here, and then these are the liquidities the market is targeting to clear. Now we can see we have one here, right? And then we have another one here, which eventually the market went and tap all of it. So that is basically what we had. Also this one, right? With the market went and cleared off. So I had those markings in place, and this is where I look for my entry. Actually, when the market closed on Friday, this was what we were left with. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candles downward is the candle that we were left with, right? So let me show you what I was actually expecting to see when the market opened. Okay, so you see, I overall know that my direction is bullish. My directional bias is bullish in the market, and I had levels that market might go and hit, like potential levels. So what I did with the chart was I marked out here, which is a breakup structure, and exactly the same thing, a, an inducement. This is a breakup structure, an inducement, and then a point of interest, a breakup block, right? So actually, when those things are in place, so I was thinking if the market open, it would just, if it opened on Sunday night, it would just be choppy. Then Friday, then Monday, it comes down to this point of interest and still go. So now, what the market did was when it opened, you see this spike to the upside. So it spiked to the upside and created some bunch of lows and highs. So what I was actually looking for was, you see, because we had this spike to the upside, so I saw that we have a high here, a breakup structure here, and a low here. So this was actually, let me drop to 5 minute time frame, putting this in place. All right, so you see in the 5 minute time frame, I had my analysis here, yeah, which I was expecting the market to come to this breakout block and then push up. So the market didn't do that. It rather broke this high here. It traced back to this other block and it broke up. It broke this high here and it produced its inducement, and then the market came down to this, referencing this breakout block and go to the upside. So now what I was left with was this. I woke up and the market was, I think the market was here. Let me see. Yeah, the market was around these places. So what I have to use is, you see this breakup structure here. This was what I I, I marked, the breakup structure, and this was my inducement because that's how I level it to be. All right. So, and my point of interest was when I zoom in, when I saw the market, sorry, let me delete this. When I saw the market, I thought the market came and tapped this other block. So the other block to me was mitigated. So what I was actually looking for was for the markets to come below, and then might use this breaker as my entry. Yep, I use this breaker as my entry. So what I was actually waiting for was I put my entry here and my stop loss just below it, seriously. And then my take profit level is above the high, this high. So the market came, it didn't tuck me in. I missed this trade. Just see how I missed this trade, just by a pip. I missed this trade. The trade came to this point, and then I exit my order. I exited my order, so I missed the trade. This is called this is an inducement, right? Then this one, this is breaker, my breaker block, right? It's still known for POI, point of interest. So I left, and then the market came down to this same place and it went up. So the mistake was this other block was actually not mitigated, because if you draw down, if you drag, you find out that it only mitigated the wick, not the body. So the body was actually not mitigated. And if I go down to 3 minutes time frame, I will see how clear it was. So that was my mistake. I learned from it, and then I moved on, right? So I would have had my entry here, which would have been a sniper entry, and then my take profit level would be hit. All right, that was it for that day. And then moving on to Tuesday. Moving on to Tuesday from that place. So Tuesday, I had this massive structure shift, break of structure. From here, you see, this was the same thing I marked, break of structure, and then this was my inducement. Yep, this was my inducement. So I had all the screenshots, but I don't know if my chart will show. I don't think it will help. It will make me, it will allow me exit from the chart to my gallery. I'll have show it, because this is trading view recording. I don't know if it will allow me. So this was where I had my entry, my limit order on 5 minutes. You see, on on the 15 minutes, this whole block, this whole candle is a breaker block. So this pullback mitigated the candle. So what I was seeing visibly was this other block, right? What I was seeing visibly was this other block. So my entry was here, and this was where I put my stop loss, and my take profit level it was this high I marked earlier. So you see, this is 1 to 15 trade. So the market came and also missed like this, just as you see it. So when I checked, I found out that in 1 minute time frame there was a breaker there, just above the place I wanted, my point of interest. My point of interest just above it. So there was a breaker block, right? So this was it. This place was a breaker. This place here. So this was actually where the market came and reference. You see what the market came and reference. If you go down to 3 minutes, it's actually more clearer there, if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, yep. In 3 minutes, it's clear. So that's how it is. That's how I saw the entry, and I missed the entry. So I learned from my lessons also. I I missed the entry. All right. So now after that, then was then we came to Tuesday, I guess. Yeah. Okay, Wednesday, which was yesterday, right? So yesterday was here. Let me see. All right, yeah. Yesterday was here, and I took a trade here. So actually, I didn't actually see any market structure shift from this side. So, and I had some levels which I was thinking the market might reach to, but yet it didn't. So I was thinking the market might push up. So there was no any substantial market structure shift there. But after everything, I just found out that there was a low here which the market broke coming down. So I was actually waiting to buy yesterday, right? But I didn't realize this place. So when the market came, the market was just tangling. So I marked this place. Let me delete this thing. All right, this line that you see, I marked it as a support because when the market came, it was dangling around it. So what happened was basically is it was this. We had a breakup structure here and also this one here. So I used this one, which and this one, so it became a double breakup structure that I had, and then I marked this one to be my inducement, this one to be my inducement, right? So I was actually waiting for the market to come down. Then I changed, I think, yeah, I marked this one and then this one. Actually, we don't have two inducements, but this was it because when this one came, the pullback didn't go up. It didn't go up too much. So I used this one as my inducement because the pullback went up almost I think not yeah, I think half the way to the move. So this was my inducement. So the market came down and actually I placed my entry here. I placed my entry just below this place, just below this low. So the market before the market, I thought the market would come back from this place, so it didn't come. So when everything went up, actually remember initially I was having a buy setup. So as I saw that this structure was broken, this too was broken. So I used this place as my inducement. So I took my trade here and my stop loss below this place. My target was above the high, right? So I ended up taking an L. So a mistrade, and then I waited for a loss, a losing trade. So that was cool. I was actually risking $50 here. So, but as the going may go, I end up losing. Yeah, I think I entered because of spread and all of those things. Because of my lot size based on the stop loss I put, the thing wiped $68. So that's fine. All right. By the way, that's okay. So fast forward to today, which is Thursday. So as today, I came to see that this was a breakup structure. This too was a breakup structure, and it was okay to me. I said okay, then I'll be looking to sell from this point. But then I shift to Euro USD to see whether it has a clearer setup. So this was my setup on Euro USD. I marked out all of those levels. I saw how that the breakup structure began here. So this was my inducement, and then another block to the upside or a breaker, and then as I saw this one came, a block of structure here, so I had my entry here, yeah, and I targeted this place. So it's just 1 to 6, 1 to 10, I mean, but it is what it is. So That's how it is. I broke the market down. So this is it. It's so simple to kind of understand that the market, when the market change a trend, you have to follow the trend of the market. Use the higher time frame. Whether you are a scalper or a swing trader or a position trader or a day trader, you need to use the trend of the market. Use the higher time frame to know the exact direction of the market. If you're using the higher time frame, you will know exactly what to do in the market. Because if you might actually be selling in a bullish market, just like this place. If you sell here, it's okay, but then you have to know where you are going to sell to, because this place here, if you are selling from this place, you should be selling to this other block, right? Yes, to this confined place. So this is where you should be selling to. Even also this one too, you should be selling to this place. So if you will know what trend you are in, then you will know what to do fully in the market. Mostly you just come and see structures that deceives. Just look at this. You see, the market was up. Then this one, somebody might see this one as a retracement, and then the market will keep going up to take off this high. Actually, but when I came and I saw that this one a break of structure, and then a a trending to the downside. This is accumulating of market. They are accumulating orders here to just go and wipe them out. And so somebody might see this one and say, okay, this is a break of structure, and I have my order block here. So when the market comes, I'll buy from here. Then before you know, you are wiped out. So that is it. It's very simple. So this is a breaker block too. You might decide to buy from it, and then later, if the market will keep coming down, it will come down. But the main thing is you should know the trend you are in the market. Is it a downtrend or an uptrend or in a consolidating manner? So plenty strategies differs. Some really works in consolidation very well. Some works in best in trending market. So depending on what you really know is working for you. So you see, I had let me say last last week I had three losses. I took trade Wednesday loss, Thursday loss, Friday it was a loss. Just as you know, Wednesday, Thursday, they all gave me good profit, and then came back to take me out with 21, one with $20, one with $25, and then one with 20, oh yeah, not $37. And then yeah, Monday, Tuesday I had no trade. Wednesday, which was yesterday, I lost $68. So in all, I lost like $152 on the account, which is equivalent to three different trades. Just as I dissect the market, just as I dissect my money, I mean, in trading the market, which I say I'll be risking $50 per trade. So I end up losing like $3. That's three set of $50. So today's trade recovers all of it, risking the same amount, $50. It recovers all because it recovers all and even added $72. So I'll close today's trade with 226.40 dollars. So that is it. And you should know everything. Risk management is everything. Risk management is power, risk management is key, and sticking to your rule is very important, right? Trade your plan and plan your trades. Always remember that. Thank you, and help by subscribing, and stay tuned for more insightful videos. This is a breakdown of the trade which I took over the week. I won't be trading tomorrow um, for some reasons. I will see you guys next week. Thank you.